Raven, or Response Assessment Venue, is a multi-agency exercise which brings together partners from the Staffordshire Resilience Forum Partnership to work together in either a strategic coordinating group or a tactical coordinating group to practice how they would respond for real to a major incident in Staffordshire and Stoke-on-Trent. First of all, it's a fantastic opportunity to practice in a safe learning environment. Major incidents don't happen very often, so when they actually do, it's good to know that you've actually worked through key processes, key systems and key plans. I would also say that it's an invaluable opportunity to learn how you actually respond to incidents for real and how you work with key plans and with key partners. I'd also say the final point is about networking. Most of our delegates who attend a Raven exercise walk away from it possibly slightly tired at the end of the day, but that's no bad thing. But majority turn around and they say, you know, we've learnt a lot about our fellow partner organisations from the Staffordshire Resilience Forum Partnership.
Parking is arranged as well for delegates. Unfortunately, there's no parking at the venue, but at a very nearby car park at Staffordshire University, car park B, there is free parking for participants at the exercise. You will need a permit which is emailed out to you in advance by the CCU. You access the site through the main gate on Weston Road. Permits are not available on the day, so it's really important you take your permit with you, and it's really important that that permit is displayed on your vehicle, or else there's a risk of a fine on site. Having parked, you then follow the Staffordshire Prepared signs to walk to the venue. Participants who are using a sat-nav, the postcode is actually on the screen now.
When they arrive at the building, obviously the building will have some form of security. In this case, there is somebody at the door who will open the door and let them into the venue. They'll be booked in the normal manner, and so that we can make sure that whoever's in the building, we can account for them if there's anything untoward happens.
Okay, we're in the main events room at the moment for Exercise Raven. A number of available resources that are here. We've got whiteboards, we've got flip charts, maps and plans. All the plans have been tailored to the scenario around Ravenstown. We've got a bird table here, as you can see behind me, which sets out using all the Cabinet Office map symbols as to what's occurred, and we can set out where the tactical, strategic, forward control points are, etc. We're using audio and video in the room. That's not to record to catch anybody out. That's so our facilitators can follow what's actually going on.
Well, this is exercise control, and this is the operations centre for the exercise. What we do is we control the flow of it. We make sure that when we give them a task to do, that they deal with it, they involve all the other agencies that need to be dealt with it, and basically we look to progress the exercise along so we achieve the objectives that were originally stated at the beginning of the exercise briefing in the other room. If you look behind me, you'll be able to see the video camera showing an aspect of the room where we can monitor what the players are doing and how they're interacting and what they're saying and how they're progressing the injects that we actually put into them to deal with. So that at the end of it, all of the players will hopefully have achieved those little things that make up the whole of the exercise.
Probably only two things to bring. The most important thing is yourself. The second thing is a positive mental attitude. And the reason I say that is because everything that you need for Raven is actually provided for you by the Civil Contingencies Unit, and you'll be supported by staff from the unit throughout your time here at Raven. If you have any questions related to your attendance at Exercise Raven, the best thing that you can do is to contact the Civil Contingencies Unit's admin team.